Well, today's recipe is meant to be a standout winner, and as Howard named it, it's not your average salad. Let's go now to the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
Typically, when we think of having a salad for lunch or dinner, we often think that salads are more fitting in the warmer months than they are this time of year. Well, today, we're going to throw that idea right out the window as I share a warm, cold weather salad. We start by washing and drying a good amount of mixed greens. And placing them on a platter. As for the type, we can use a bag mix variety, a cut-up head of romaine, or even some kale. On top of that, we toss on some cooked chicken breast that we've cut up, along with a thinly sliced pear and a few canned dark pitted cherries. And if you're thinking, boy, does that sound good, just wait until you see the dressing we serve with it. It's simply some bottled Italian dressing that we combined in a saucepan with honey, maple syrup, peanut oil, and chopped walnuts. We heat this on low just long enough for it to warm through. And when we serve this in individual bowls or family style, you can bet you're going to get all sorts of oohs and ahs. You see, the warm dressing mixed with the pears, chicken, and dark pitted cherries is anything but expected. I do hope you'll go online and get the recipe for what we nicknamed Not Your Average Salad, since it's over the top good. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found an unusual way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.